will study on growth rate in human. For growth rate in human, since we are endoskeleton, it is under sigmoid curve. Okay, so this is the growth in human, from infant to child to adolescent to adult to age. You are under this category. I am under adult category. Now, how is our growth different? When you're an infant, when it's a baby, the growth rate is very, very fast. When it's child, actually the growth rate is slightly slower, not slower. It's not too slow. It's just slightly slower compared to when in infant or when compared to adolescent, when teenager. This is actually means teenagers. Okay. When comparing to these two, this is slightly slower. But between male and female, male has a faster growth rate than female. Adolescent, the growth rate is very, very fast, and at the age of between 13 to 15, female has a faster growth rate compared to male. That's why female experiences the sexual development faster compared to male. They maybe around Form 1, Form 2, you notice maybe your female friend is taller than you. But when it's 16 to 18 years old, the male growth rate will be much more faster than the female. The female will eventually stop growing. So you will notice at the age of 16, you're much more taller than your female friend. At adult, usually the male is larger, bigger than the woman. Here, the growth rate is already constant. No more growing, constant. Okay. Aged, when you're already old, it completely stops. Sometimes you will see like a decrease. The decrease is because no more growing, the muscles all become smaller. Okay. I repeat again. Growth rate in human, you must know the differences. Infant will grow very fast. Between child, adolescent, infant, child, the growth rate is a little bit slower. But male grows faster than female when you compare them. Adolescent growth rate is faster. Different age, female and male will have different growth rates, so you must also know about this. Write it in your textbook, like a notes. Adult, the growth rate is constant, and then age completely stop. Okay, so now if we refer to your textbook, it's in page 130. Okay, so this is your growth curve. Okay, this one I want you to read it by yourself later. It's what I just explained. Maybe I advise you write this short notes at the side of you. So when doing exam, no need to read all this. Just read it. Short note would do. Okay, I just want to explain to you this graph. Can you see here? This human growth curve is like an S shape. So it's called a sigmoid shape. Here it's a very rapid growth because this is infant. This is childhood phase, slow growth. Adolescent, rapid growth. Can you see? Here it's a bit slow. Here it's very rapid. Adulthood become constant. Old age, there is a negative growth, but the size reduces because all the muscles, everything becomes smaller. Okay, now when you compare between male and female, if you notice, can you see at the age of 2 to 6 years old or 4 to 6 years old, the male, which is the blue line here, can you see the male, the blue line here, is more than the female, the dotted line. So meaning during childhood, male will grow faster. But if you look at between the age of 12 to 16, who is growing faster? The female grows faster. And then if you notice 16 to 18, the male grows back faster. Okay, Ken?